How to unregister all events on Google Play Store app. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through how can you unregister all events on Google Play Store app. To unregister all upcoming event on the Google Play Store, you just have to follow this step. Open up your Google Play Store app. And when you open up your application, this is how it's going to look like. Now while you're on the home page, you just want to go ahead and tap on the profile or the initials from the top right inside corner. Then what you want to do is you just want to go to settings. After you go to settings, you want to go to general, and once you go to general, what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and select account and devices preferences. After you do it so, you want to scroll down a bit and you could find this option as register for upcoming events. You could see this is the one. You could go ahead and tap on it and make sure to unregister it. Just tap on it and then you'll have successfully unregistered all events on Google Play Store app. So this is the way you do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.